Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic today that is about how we can prove about this one in here. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the price of the stock that is about the total present value, and we need to know that this one we can put like this. So every year we need to pay about the dividend. So on the next year we will have about the number 0. That is about the current of dividend payment. Now in the next year we need to know that they will increase about 1 plus g. That is about the growth rate. However, we want to find the present value, so we need to divide of the first year, that is about 1 plus r. Now the second year, this one they will grow again, so we have 1 plus g to the power of 2. That means this one for the growth rate on the year number 2, and we need to find the present value of the stock in the current time, so we need to divide by 1 plus r to the power of 2. We just do about the present value in here, and we keep doing this process until we will have the number 0, 1 plus g to the power of n over 1 plus r to the power of n. And this is the first step we need to analyze in this way. The next one we can use about geometric progressions. So if we look carefully, the first term of geometric progression, that is about this one. So we have a number 1. And now the common ratio of this one, that is about r. So we can see that the y number 2, they will multiply by 1 plus r over 1 plus g over 1 plus r. So this one in here we can put like this. So this is for the second year. So because this one for the common ratio, this one that is about a number 1, and that's about a number 2 in here. So we just apply geometric progression. So we have a1 and common ratio. So we have 1 plus r, 1 plus g over 1 plus r. We know that r is bigger than g. So because r is bigger than g, so r in here is smaller than number 1. Because this value they always about positive, so that means this one they will go like this. So the value of r between from 0 to number 1, so we can apply the formula to find the sum of progression, geometric progression, that is about h equals to a number 1 over 1 minus r. So a1, that is about this one. So about r in here, that's about common ratio. We have 1 minus this one. Now we need to simplify. Number one, we can do common denominator. So number one, we need to transform into 1 plus r over 1 plus r. So we simplified number 1 minus number 1 r minus g. So this one we will have like this. So we see that we have 1 plus r, 1 plus r. We simplify again. And now we have the final answer. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.